In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own location on Instagram. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Instagram application. Now you will want to create a post, so just tap on the plus icon in the bottom part of the screen. Now select post. And for example, let's just select any photo, example this photo. So tap on next. Now tap on next. And from here you will see this option which says add location. So just tap on add location. Now turn on your location services. Now you can simply search for a location right here. So for example, let's just select this location. So when I tap on share right now, there my location will be shown just below my username. And that is how I created my own location on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.